Hi, my name is Shannen Toon from Craft Burger and Dining with the Toons, and today we're going to be making a spinach, tomato, avocado, and a real sweet Vidalia onion salad. First, we're just going to chop this Vidalia onion. So now that we have all our prep done for our salad, we're going to add some cleaned baby spinach to the bowl. We have some tomatoes that we've cut in half here, some grape tomatoes. The avocado that we diced. We add some of this parsley that we chopped. Some croutons. And the star of the show, some sweet Vidalia onions. Now we're going to toss it in some poppy seed dressing. When you're adding your dressing, you don't want to add it directly to the greens. You want to go around the side of the bowl, and this way so that you can now toss it gently and evenly incorporate it instead of having just big spots and chunks of dressing. You want to evenly be able to toss the greens. This is a great healthy salad. You know, we're in springtime, getting ready for the summer. It's bathing suit season. You know, our motto in our household, we've been on a health kick, is no shirts in the pool this summer. So me and my wife, we both lost about 50 pounds each. We're trying to drop another 30 pounds each. So this is a great salad to get us to our goal. Hopefully it can get you towards your fitness goals as well. I know we will all probably put on a few COVID pounds. This is a great time to work it off and eat a little lighter and healthy. So the salad is pretty well tossed. I'm gonna season it with a little salt, a little fine ground black pepper, give it a little bit more. Toss in here. There you go. Let me give it a quick taste, make sure it's seasoned well. That tastes great. So to plate the salad, we're just going to plate it in a small individual bowl, layer in the greens, making sure you get a little bit of everything. Get some more tomato and of course our beautiful onions on top. It's a nice healthy portion right there. I'm just gonna finish it with a little bit of parsley. And there you go, that's our spinach, tomato, avocado, and real sweet Vidalia onion salad.